Welcome to Shoreditch. For me, this is a real opportunity not just to talk about the artwork we're going to see today, but really give a context for why this area is so popular with artists. This is a special act. So this is the Village Underground. Village Underground have opened a new music venue on Kingsland Road. It really works using stencils. Right, so street art isn't just paint on walls, it can be any medium. This again,
I think it's very vibrant, very interesting, and we learned about all of that today, so it's amazing.
We had loads of interesting debates about art and history and it came up, but yeah, beautiful, lovely tour.